distracted because he's looking around.
Mm-hmm.
And it's counting down the minutes, so it's doing right. I reckon he could chance taking the passy out so we can see that cute little mouth. Oh, Ducky. Isn't he, boy? Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning. He's looking right at the camera. Hey, Boyd. Good morning. Boyd's having his first doctor's visit this morning.
You got that check?
A minute and 15 seconds left.
Oh, that's it. We're doing stuff like that.
Okay, that's good.